Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Nan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to solve the error that's related to Instagram. When you search for Instagram and try to install Instagram onto your device, it's showing incompatible on your device. So it's not showing me incompatible for now because I just now solved the bug, and I'll just show you once again what's the issue and what's the solution for it. And when you open up Instagram, it's not showing you the option to install, and it's showing you a warning incompatible with your device. And guys, the same thing happened to my mobile, that's Redmi Note 5 Pro. That was the latest device, and Instagram was working well after I did something to my device, guys. I just rooted it and did something, and after that Instagram was not able to install onto my device as it was showing incompatible with my device. And then the only solution for this is you just need to go to your settings, open up your settings, and then search for the apps, and in my case it's installed apps. And over here search for the Google Play Store. It's over here. It's an application already installed. You just need to go here, clear data, clear all data, and click OK. And then you just close all the recent apps, and then just go back to Play Store and open up Instagram again on the Play Store. Just search for Instagram. Just a second. Just search for Instagram and open it, and it will show you the option to install. And that's the quick tip for this video, guys, and thanks for watching. If you guys like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a good comment below. And thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.